track waves, and the race is underway. It's an excellent start from pole position by Rob Hall, who's got away very effectively. A bit of a poor start by Andy Wallace, a bit further down the field there by the looks of things to me. But they are getting down into the first corner at Madgwick, trying to work out where the dry, where the wet, what line to be on. And so far, so good. Everybody managing to stay on the tarmac, which is the crucial part. But what a good start by Rob Hall, who's taken that pole position, got away well, and has got the advantage. But there's a good battle going on behind. John Spears is now up into second position, number 88, under threat from the number 24. That's the Roger Wills, James Davison car. Roger Wills driving it at the moment, and Roger, I think, is going to squeeze past.
Yeah, lovely move. And Roger started in 5th place. He started on the 2nd row. We got a drone camera showing us a great shot of them filtering through the second part of St Mary's. The 88 running slightly wide. We've got an onboard car now giving us a great view of attacking the Spears and Greensall car as they come into the Vank corner. And everyone keeping it nice and clean, nice and calm and steady for this opening lap so far, Ben.
Yeah, absolutely. And missing out a little bit, Saifa Sam, who started on the front row, number 17. He's dropped back a little bit, but we've got others moving up. And this number 1 car particularly started down in 9th place on the grid and now charging up. And I think Ollie Bryant's in the car at the moment, in fact, and making up a good bit of ground and really gaining up amongst the front runners and going to be into the battle for the lead. Oh, off has gone the Sandler that I was talking about. What a shame. The number 22 car, is it just stuck on the grass now with the wetness, or they're trying to get it out of the way, but it's not quite working. As meanwhile, could be another pass. No, it's not a pass, a second just yet. But Ollie Bryant really pushing on hard in the number 1 car. A little bit of slipping and sliding. You can see it's still not dry. And